Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed exercise 2.4 and decimal concept. So today I am going to start the exercise 2.5. So first question, which is greater? So total 6 questions are there, I will explain one by one. So first one, 0.5 or 0.05. So these are like decimals or unlike decimals? Unlike no, why? Because here after decimal, here decimal point only one digit is there, here two digits there. So how to convert unlike to like? Just take one 0. Okay, because we want here only one digit. No, one digit is there, here two digits are there, extra one digit. No, so that means 0.50 or 0.05. So first how to compare decimals? So first compare whole number part. So here whole number part 0 is there, here also 0 is there. So leave it. Next 5 is there. After that decimal point 5 is there, here 0 is there. So which one is greater? 5 is greater or 5 is greater than 0. That means this number is greater than this. So that means 0.5 is greater than 0.05. So first when you compare again decimal numbers, first compare the whole number part. After that decimal part. Okay. So next second one 0.7 or 0.5. So here first check that whole number part. Here 0 is there, here 0 is there. So check the decimal part. Here 7 is there, here 5. So which one is greater? Obviously 7 is greater than 5. That means 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Next third one 7 or 0.7. Okay, here there is no decimal point, means we can take it. How to write this 7 as a decimal number? 7 point, here how many digits are there? One digit. No, you can take it as 7.0. You can take so many zeros, but you want only one digit. No, so I have taken only one digit, that is 0. So first we have to compare the whole number part. Here 7 is there, here 0 is there. Which one is greater? Obviously 7. That means this number is greater than this number. So 7 is greater than 0.7. So next fourth one 1.37 or 1.49. So these are like decimals. No? Why? Because two digits are there, here also two digits are there in the decimal part. So first check the whole number part. 1, here also 1. So check the decimal part. Here 3 is there, here 4 is there. Which one is greater? 4 is greater than 3. No? That means 1.37 is smaller than 1.49. Very simple. So next fifth one 2.03 or 2.30. Okay. So now check this one. Whole number part 2 is there, here also 2 is there. Here 0 is there. Next to the decimal point 0 is there, but here 3 is there. So which one is greater? Obviously 3. No, that means this decimal number is greater than this decimal number. So 2.03 is smaller than 2.30. Otherwise in decimal part, what is this number? 3. Here 30 is there. No? Here 3 is there. Which one is greater? Obviously 30 is greater than 3. But how to read this decimal number? 2.03. Okay. Here not 30, 2.30. So decimal part is there. No? You should read it as a digits. 2.30. And this one 1.49, not 1.49. So how to read this one? 1.49. Okay. So next last one, sixth one 0.8 or 0.88. So these are unlike decimals. No, because here one digit is there, here two digits is there in the decimal part. So first take 10 so that you can compare now. So 10. Why I have taken? Because we want two digits to compare. So here two digits are there. So first we should compare whole number part 0, 0. So go to the decimal part. Here 8 is there, here also 8 is there. So next here 0 is there, here 8 is there. Obviously this is greater than this number. Otherwise 80 and 88 is there. 88 So 0.80 is less than 0.8. Understand what this one? Second one, express as rupees using decimals. So first one 7 paisa. So they are given in paisa. You should convert it rupees. So how to convert it? So first take first one 7 paisa. Okay. So how to convert it? So first you know that 100 paisa equals to 1 rupees. That is 1 rupees equals to 100 paisa. Yes. So 100 paisa equals to 1 rupees. No. 1 rupees. What about 1 paisa equals to? So here 100 paisa is there. Divide 100 by 100. 100 by 100 paisa equals to. Here you are dividing means here also you should divide it by 100. 1 by 100 rupees. This is why I explained this conversion of paisa to rupees. Okay. So here 20 gets cancelled. 1 by 1 means 1 paisa. So 1 paisa equals to 1 by 100 rupees. Okay. So just remember this one. Only one time I will explain this one. 1 paisa equals to 1 by 100 rupees. Okay. But here how many paisa? 7 paisa. So 1 paisa equals to 1 by 100 means 7 paisa equals to 7. Just cross multiply 7 into 1 by 100. 7 into 1 by 100. So you know that multiplication of fractions. So 7 by 100. Okay. So how to write this in a decimal number? Okay. So first see here. Here 7 is there. So 7 always point is there. No 7.000. We can take it. Okay. So here take it as 7.0. 7 point only 7 point. Okay. Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. That means we should shift this decimal point to left side by 2 places. But here only 1 digit is there. So take 1 zero extra. Okay. After that shift it. After that shift it. Otherwise I will explain here. Here 7 by 100 is there. No? So we can write it as 7.00. So many zeros we can write it. I have taken only 2 zeros. Divided by 100. So here 2 zeros are there. So that means we should shift this decimal point to left side by how many places? 2 places. But here only 1 place is there. That is 7. So take 1 zero extra here. Nothing will wrong. Okay. So now shift it. This one. So what will be the answer? 0.07. Why? You are shifting this decimal point now. So that means 0.07. So this is the answer. So what is the answer? 0.07. Decimal point should be shifted to left side by how many places? 2 places. Why? Because here 2 zeros are there. So take this one 5 by 10. How to shift this one? Decimal number 5 by 10. Here how many zeros? 1 zeros. So here point will be there, no? Decimal point will be there. So shift this. So what will be the answer? 0.5. So don't write it as a 0.5. Write it as 0.5. So this one 25 by 100. So here this is a 25. No? So this one is a decimal point. Okay. Here 2 zeros means shifting towards left side by how many places? 2 places. That means you will get the answer 0.25. Like this conversion. Okay. So second one 7 rupees 7 paisa. So now only I explain no 7 paisa conversion of paisa to rupees. So what is the answer? 0.07. So 7 rupees. How to write this one? 7 rupees as 700 paisa. 700 paisa plus 7 paisa. Okay. So total is 707 paisa. No? So now we explain 1 paisa equals to. So 1 paisa equals to 1 by 100 rupees. No? 1 by 100 rupees, that is for 707 paise. Just a cross multiplication. 707 into 1 by 100. Okay, so how to write this one answer? 707 divided by 100 by 707 into 1. 707 only. So here how many places? 2 places. Why? Because 2 zeros are there. Decimal point is here. Shifting these two places means you will get answer for this one. 7.07. Why? After decimal point, how many digits? 2 digits. Why? Because 2 zeros are there. So answer is 7.07. So next the third one. 77 rupees. 77 paise. Okay. So 77 rupees, 77 paisa. So 1 rupee equals to how many paise? 100 paise. 77 equals to 7700 paise. Plus 77 paise as. So how to write this one? 77 rupees into paise. 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. 77 equals to 77 rupees equals to 77 into 100. So what will get answer? 77 into 1, 77. 2 zeros as. So 7700 paise. Okay, this is the conversion. So what total? What will get answer? 7777 paise. Okay. So 1 paise equals to 1 by 100 rupees. 1 paise equals to 1 by 100 rupees. For 7777 paise equals to, just cross multiplication, 7777 into 1 by 100. So what will be the answer? So first multiply. After that, here how many digits? 2 digits. That means shifting this decimal point to left side by how many places? 2 places. So shifting. What will be the answer? 77.77 rupees. This one is in rupees. Okay. Next, fourth and fifth one are the homework problems. Just try to us. So next, third one, express 5 centimeter, meter and kilometer. So how to convert it? First 5 centimeter. So first convert them into centimeter to meter. So you know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So that is 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. For 1 centimeter equals to, just simple, 1 by 100 meter. 1 by 100 meter. Here 5 centimeter you want to know. So 5 centimeter. Just cross multiply 5 into 1 by 100 meter. So what will get answer? 5 into 1. 5 also 5 is 5. Okay. Don't cancel it. 5 ones are 5 20s are, because here 100 is there. You can write it very easily in decimal number. Okay. Here how many places are here? How many digits are there? 0. 2 no. That means you should shift the decimal point to left side by how many places? 2 places. Here 5 point is there. Okay. So that means here take one 0. Shift it. What will get the answer? 0.05 meter. 0.05 meter. Okay. You will get in a meter. But again you should convert in a kilometer. Okay. So you know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. No? So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 1 meter equals to just 0 and 1000. 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 kilometer. But you want here meter you already get no 0.05 meter. That means just a cross multiply 0.05 into 1 by 1000. So cross multiply. So you already get answer 0.05 divided by 1000. Again here how many zeros? 3 zeros. That means you should shift this decimal point to left side by how many places? 3 places. So how to write this one first? 0.05 is there. Okay, but if you want 3 digits, only 1 digit is there. So take another 3 digits or 4. So how many places? 3 places, no? 3 places. Shift. What will get the answer? 0.0000. What is the answer? 0. How many zeros? 4 zeros. 5. So this is answer in kilometer. This is in kilometer. Okay. This is the conversion of centimeter into meter, meter into kilometer. So second question. Express 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. Okay. So first, you know that 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeter? 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So that is 10 millimeter equals to 1 centimeter. So first find out for 1 millimeter. So this is millimeter, not meter. Millimeter. So 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay. So 1 millimeter equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. That means 35 millimeter. So this is in millimeter form. So multiply 35 millimeter. Just cross multiply 35 into 1 by 10. So what will get the answer? 35 by 10. So decimal point is here, no? 35.0 here is there. Here how many zeros? 1 0. That means shifting towards left side by how many places? Only 1 places. That means 3.5 centimeter. So you get in a centimeter now. So next convert it meter. Now only explain 1 centimeter equals to 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meter more. So 3.5 centimeter equals to 3.5 centimeter equals to 3.5 into 1 by 100. So what will be the answer? 3.5 divided by 100. So answer decimal point is here. Here how many zeros? 2 zeros. But here only 1 digit is there. So take one extra zero. So I will explain here. We can write it as. So here 3.5 by 100 is there. But here how many places? 2 places. 2 zeros means 2 places. Here only 1 place is there. So take another 2. After that shift it. 2 places means left side by 2 places. So what will get the answer? 0.035. So answer is 0.035 in which one? Meter. In meter. So this one is meter. So centimeter finished. Next meter finished. Next kilometer. So now only explain 1 meter equals to how many kilometers? 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. For 0.035 meter equals to just cross multiplication. Meter equals to 0.035 into 1 by 1000 kilometer. So now cross multiply 0.35 divided by 1000. Okay. Here only zeros are there, 3 zeros. That means you should shift the decimal point to left side by how many places? 3 places. So how to write this one? So I will explain here. So this one is 0.035 divided by 1000. So first take here 1 place is there. Again you can take 3 places. That means zeros. 0, 0, 0.035. I have taken 3 zeros extra. Okay. So here 3 zeros. Shifting towards left side by how many places? 3 places. The decimal point. So shift it 3 places means here. 1, 2, 3. That means answer is 0.00003. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 digits are there after decimal point. So final answer is 0.00035 kilometer. Okay. I hope you understand the conversion of meter, centimeter, kilometer, millimeter.